everyone, I'm Amy.
And I'm Mandy, and this is what's happening for the week of June 12th at the Fitchburg Senior Center. Amy, what's up?
Mandy, there's a lot going on in June.
Oh, yeah.
And looking ahead a little bit to July, too. So there's going to be a presentation with Matthew Voit from Golden Home Management. It's called Preventative Maintenance. Tips on making informed decisions about your home as you age. You won't want to miss that. And then if you're thinking about our loan closet before you buy adaptive equipment, think about it. Think about our loan closet first, because we've got a lot of things in there that you can use before you buy it, and it's clean. And then join us on Tuesdays for Bid Whist and Spades, 10:30. Show up and play or learn how to play either of those games. I think that sounds like fun. And then Acupuncture is back at the Senior Center with Dr. Joe on Tuesdays at $70 for 60 minutes. And I've done it and I loved it. It helped. So I think you should try it out. He's looking for some new people, so come on in and try that out. Mandy.
Yeah. Okay, guys. We've been talking about it for a long time. It's finally here. Our Juneteenth celebration is happening this Friday. You won't want to miss it. We will be having Fast and Fresh Food Cart will be here. We'll have music. There'll be dancing, and local artist Lilada Gee will be here selling some of her amazing artwork. So don't miss it. We're gonna turn it up. And don't forget the musicals. With Michael is on Wednesdays. And this week's musical is Alexander's Ragtime Band.
Oh, fun!
I know. And if you're looking to go somewhere, there's a travel show on June 20th. Find out where you could go this year. Maybe Holland, Michigan, the Mackinac Island,
Ben,
Montana,
Ben,
Yellowstone,
Ben.
Be there to find out more at 1 o'clock. It's going to be a great month, you guys. All you have to do is wake up and show up.
Where the coffee's always hot, you'll find friends, smiles,
a newspaper, and maybe even a hug.
We'll see you right here.